Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Zywa Finance app. First, download the Zywa app from your preferred app store. The registration process is straightforward, requiring just a few minutes and parental approval to ensure safety. Once registered, activate your personalized prepaid card. This card is linked directly to your account, making it ready for secure transactions both online and in stores. Zywa makes managing your money simple and transparent. You can track all your spending and earnings in real time through the app's intuitive dashboard. Set daily or weekly spending limits to help you stay within your budget, promoting responsible financial habits. Plus, you'll receive instant notifications for every transaction, giving you complete control and peace of mind over your finances. Zywa encourages smart saving and earning. You can create personalized savings goals, helping you work towards future purchases like a new gadget or a special trip. The app also offers exciting rewards and cashback on eligible transactions, adding extra value to your spending. Participate in fun financial challenges to boost your knowledge and earn even more. Your security is a top priority with Zywa. The app employs bank-grade security measures to protect your funds and personal information. You can instantly lock or unlock your prepaid card directly from the app if it's misplaced or stolen, providing immediate control. Should you need any assistance, dedicated customer support is available 7 days a week to help you with any queries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.